Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today we're bringing you something truly eye-catching, a fully modified Toyota Highlander that takes this SUV to a whole new level. If you thought the Highlander was just a practical family vehicle, wait till you see this aggressive, custom build. Let's get straight into it. Right away, the first thing you notice is the bold stance. This Highlander has been fitted with a complete TIG MK9 Malawian Quatches body kit, transforming the rear into something you'd expect from a high-performance Lexus or even a Land Cruiser. The tail lights are fully LED with a sharp C-shaped signature design, giving it that futuristic look. Moving around to the back, the dual exhaust setup looks sporty and adds to the SUV's aggressive appeal. The rear bumper is more sculpted and features an integrated diffuser, all in black, contrasting perfectly with the pearl white body color. Just above that, the roof spoiler is finished in gloss black, extending the vehicle's profile and enhancing the aerodynamic style. The black roof continues the two-tone theme, and it flows cleanly into the A-pillars and mirrors. It's subtle, but these black accents add a lot of character. Down the sides, you'll see extended wheel arches and side skirts that sit lower than stock. The alloy wheels are larger and multi-spoke, finished in a mix of matte black and chrome. These wheels don't just look great, they give this SUV a more planted, powerful look. From the angle we're showing you today, you can tell this isn't your average Highlander. The proportions are sharper, the lines more defined, and the presence much stronger. It's like this SUV was designed to stand out in a crowd of luxury vehicles. What makes this build even more special is the attention to detail. From the badging to the tailgate trim, every piece has either been blacked out or color matched for a clean, custom look. Even the reflectors and rear fog lights are integrated seamlessly into the design. This kind of custom work really elevates the Highlander from just a family hauler to something you'd want to show off. Whether you're cruising through the city or just parking at a car meet, this ride demands attention. That wraps up our quick walk around of this incredible modified Toyota Highlander. Let us know in the comments what you think. Is this the cleanest Highlander mod you've seen? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another build. This is MVP Auto, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.